Hey all NEET aspirants, welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma, and in today's video I will provide you the strategy to score 360 out of 360, and we have the sufficient time in which we can complete our syllabus and we can score very good marks. So make sure you watch this video till the end. You can increase the speed of the video to save your time. So let's say students, right, I'm assuming that you people are watching this video on 15th of July, right? So from July 2024 to May 2025 we have 9 months. How much time do we have? We have 9 months, and that time is sufficient to complete your syllabus. One by one I will share everything with you all. No doubt students, the Supreme Court hearing is there on 18th of July, right? And then we will hopefully we'll get the final verdict, right? But whatever evidences we have, as per that we can say that there are no chances of re-NEET. Okay, so we can expect that your exam will be in the first week of May. That's why I am taking 4th May, right? That can be your expected exam date. Okay, this is what we have to consider. So how much time do we have? We have 9 months. So in these 9 months, what we have to do? Syllabus completion, NCERT revision, and that NCERT revision at least for 10 to 15 times. Yes, you can watch the interview of any of the topper. This is what they are going to say, that minimum 5 to 6 times, they have revised the NCERT, and maximum 10 to 15 times. Okay, so in this time period we have to practice the questions and we have to give the mock test also. So 9 months, are they sufficient? Let's discuss that. So first of all students, as I said, I'm assuming that you are watching this video on 15th of July until December. You have approximately 5 months. Okay, I'm not considering these 15 to 16 days of July. Why am I not considering it? Because I know during your preparation time, right, there will be the time when you will go to the family functions. Okay, though you should not, but still, right, there will be other festivals also. So I am just going to subtract that 15 days. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, because this strategy is realistic. Now, let's see. So July to December, how many chapters do we need to complete? 32 chapters. Okay, so approximately you have 150 days. If I'm saying that we have 5 months, I'm considering 30 days only, right? I'm leaving that one more day for all of you. Okay, I'm assuming that 30 days are there. So 150 days we have. 150 days we have, right students? So now because we have 150 days, so you guys can see it very clearly here that bache 32 chapters. If you need 5 days to complete a chapter, 160 days are required, right? So we have 150 days because I want you people to complete your syllabus by December. Right, that's your target, and you have to achieve it. Okay, so 150 days you have, and your syllabus, as per, if I will give 5 days to each chapter, 160 days. But bache, there are chapters that will be completed in a day, right? And you just need 2 to 3 hours to revise it, retain it. Like livelihood, very simple chapter it is. Reproductive health, it is also not lengthy. You just need a day for it or 2 days for it. Okay, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, maximum you need 3 days for this particular chapter. So there are many such chapters, right? Like cell cycle and cell division. Here you need the concept clarity. If your concepts are clear, in 3 or 4 days you can complete it. So ultimately you are going to save your time, right? So let's say molecular basis of inheritance. That is a chapter where you will need 7 days at least, okay, for revising it, right? And when I'm saying 7 days, I'm not saying 24 hours you will study biology. Obviously there are other subjects also, but in that way it is manageable. So on an average we can say that 5 chapters are required. Okay, so the time is sufficient. Okay, time is sufficient. If you are sincere, if you are consistent, this time is sufficient to complete the syllabus, right? You all can agree, right? So now after that what we have to do? January to March there should be the revision round. So students, if you will waste, let's say July or in August, obviously then you can, let's say you are starting from August, accordingly you can follow this plan. Let's say you are starting in the month of September, accordingly you can follow this plan. But if you will start early, obviously you will have more time for the revision. Okay, and when it comes to the revision, you have to read the NCERT 10 to 15 times minimum. PYQ practice, mock test. So from January to March, because our syllabus is completed. Okay, so January to March is the time for revision. Whatever chapter you have completed in the starting of the preparation year, obviously you are there will be some chapters in which you need more revision. So January to March time will be sufficient for that. You can revise that particular chapter, you can read the NCERT, you can follow your notes. And yes, one thing that you have to make sure that you really need to make this habit, that you are giving mock test after every 15 days, right? After every 15 days initially, you people should give the mock test, and that you can start from the month of July itself, right? But it should be your habit that you are sitting for 3 hours, you are attempting a paper, because you will learn time management, you will learn how to reduce the negative marking. So that thing should be very important. So whatever test you are giving, you have that syllabus, so you should make the, whatever errors you are going to make, you need to make the error notebook. Okay, sometimes students, they say that we will write our errors in the NCERT only, but students, you have to give many mock tests and then you have to attend the test series. So I will suggest you to make one error notebook. Okay, so January to March, again for 3 months, revision is going on. So obviously, at least, right, you will read that NCERT for the complete NCERT, the 32 chapters, you can read in this time period for 2 to 3 times as well. And when, because you are preparing, right, from July to December, you are preparing, in this time period also you will read the NCERT. So now in the month of April, you have to join a proper test series. You should give the proper test series, right? Again, whatever errors you are going to make here in these test series, because they should be full syllabus. You can start with part test, then full syllabus, then make the error notebook, ultimately revise short notes of NCERT, revise your errors. That is what you have to do. Now, I know you must be thinking that, ma'am, we know that, but still we are not able to follow it. How to do that? See, students, I'll tell you what you have to do first, because we have sufficient time for the completion of syllabus. Okay, so our main priority should be syllabus completion at this point of time. If you are in a batch, obviously then you have a proper schedule, then nothing, right? And mostly till December, if you start a batch on time, mostly till December, almost in all the batches, at least in our platform, right, on Unacademy, at least we finish your syllabus till December. Okay, if let's say you don't have resources, you are following the YouTube only, then again you can complete your syllabus. Okay, and for the syllabus completion, because we have sufficient time, go for the detailed lectures. Do not go for the one shots. In the month of January to March, if your concepts are clear, right, so in that time period you can go for the one shot for quick revision, but otherwise I will suggest you people to go for the detailed lectures. One thing. Secondly, the books, NCERT. So if you are following the lecture of a teacher, you can follow my lectures where we are completing NCERT in detail, plus whatever extra is required to understand NCERT in the lectures itself we are providing you. So ultimately it is the NCERT that we have to cover. It is the concepts that we need to understand. I know many of you will think that, ma'am, in the biology we just need to mug up the facts. If for some chapters it's true, but in some chapters you really need to understand the concepts. And if you understand the concept, students, if you understand the concept, then obviously you can retain that topic for a longer time. This is what you have to do. And ultimately, right, complete the syllabus right from the detailed lecture, make the notes, then read the NCERT twice, and then start highlighting the points. And meanwhile, you have to practice the questions also, right? You cannot miss that. So those who cannot join any batch, those who are studying from YouTube, please make sure even you are also giving the mock test. Okay, that will be good for you. So this is ultimately you have to do. So students, if you will follow this plan, right, if you will follow this plan, trust me, you will definitely get 360 out of 360. Nothing will come beyond NCERT. Now, you can see what is it. Let's say you watched my video today. You are highly motivated. You will start your preparation, right? You will start your preparation. You are studying, but there comes a time when you will be like, you don't want to study further, right? That stationary phase will come. There comes a time when you will start feeling demotivated. The lows will be there. Then again, right? It's because it is what? It's not a sprint, bache, right? It's a marathon. So we have to go slow. You cannot say that today you are highly motivated and you can study for 10 hours and you should go for it. No, obviously, if consistently you are putting efforts, if consistently you are studying for 3 hours to 5 hours, I'm talking about the self-study. I'm talking about the self-study, right? Even if you are giving 3 hours every day for the self-study students, right? Trust me, every day if you are putting 3 hours, if you are putting the efforts for 3 hours, trust me, that is going to help you out, right? If you are today, you are studying for 10 hours and after 3 days, you are doing nothing for 3 days, for next 5 days, and then again you are studying for 12 hours, it will be of no use. So you have to be consistent first. So there comes a time when you will be highly motivated, you will prepare accordingly, then bache stationary phase, and again you will feel lows, and then again you need to charge yourself, you need to motivate yourself, again you will start it, and this is normal. So if you are thinking that ma'am, we will not be able to follow this for the year because we know that we will be demotivated, right? Many thoughts will come, procrastination will also be there. So make sure you download this video because this is the plan that you have to follow and you have to ensure me, right? So whenever you are feeling low, right, obviously you are going to waste your time. Make sure whenever you are feeling low, at least you are solving previous year questions. At least you are solving previous year question. You are not feeling like studying, but you're not feeling like studying, but still go for the PYQ practice. At least revise your notes. This is what you have to do, right? This is the hard work that this exam needs. And trust me, the highs and lows will come, and this preparatory phase will pass, and you will get very good marks if you will follow this complete strategy. So please promise me, you have to mention your name in the comment section and you have to tell me, definitely ma'am, I'm going to follow it and I will score 360 out of 360. And moreover, students, you know that, right? If you want to know how to read the NCERT properly, so there is a detailed strategy video for all of you, right? It is a detailed strategy video for all of you on Unacademy NEET English, proven strategy to score 360 out of 360 in biology. So you can follow this strategy video, right, bache, and you can understand how to read the NCERT. And moreover, you know that, right, the batch prices, they are very low for this time. Very low for this time because we want majority of students to get benefit of our classes students. Okay, so 50% off is there, and that is for your Phoenix Pro batch. So this Phoenix Pro batch is one of the best batches. If you enroll in this batch, you will have the access of special ranker group, right, online batch. Okay, right, and that is definitely going to boost your NEET preparation. Moreover, bache, right, mentorship sessions will be there. You will have all India test series and the rank predictors as well, right, the guidance sessions. And this time, right, whatever batches are going on Unacademy, right, we take the test, there will be a combined leaderboard. So you will be able to realize where are you, you can see your rank there and you can motivate yourself. This is what you're going to get in the Phoenix Pro batch, and you know how to enroll in this batch, right? There is a link in the description box. You have to click on that link. So in this Phoenix Pro batch, let me tell you students, this is the last live batch. This is the last live batch for the year. Okay, other batches will be live plus recorded, but this is the last live batch for all of you. First of all, your best team is here. We are guiding you. Secondly, the lecture, the content quality is going to be amazing. You will understand NCERT. I am not going to read NCERT for you. I will make sure that you understand each and every word. Trust me, you are going to love your subject if you will attend my lectures for the biology, and I will teach you the complete biology here in this batch. Right, when I talk about the physics teacher, Yava sir is there. For chemistry, the best duo, Wazeem sir and HSP sir is there. So you have nothing to worry about your NEET preparation, and proper tests after every 15 days will be there, students, right? And there are no hidden charges. You just need to pay the fee once, right, bache, and then for the upcoming months till your NEET examination, you will have the access of the batch. And moreover, let me tell you, and if you enroll in our batch, that doesn't mean that you will have the access of our batch only. Whatever batches are running on Unacademy platform, you can see that lectures if you want to. So this is what we are providing you. So without wasting any time, because I have provided you the strategy, right, and you have to complete your syllabus till December. So guys, if you will enroll in this batch till December, your syllabus will be covered, and hopefully before December, right? So without wasting any time, start your preparation, because already you have wasted a lot of time because of this NEET scam and irregularities. So please stop wasting your time, start revising now, and please believe in yourself. You are going to crack it with very good marks. Okay, so all the best. Do subscribe our channel, and from time to time I'll keep motivating you. Don't worry about that, students. Thank you.